My name is Welking, and on this video I'll be changing the front headlight, the low beam bulb on a 2015 Honda Civic SE. The procedure should be about the same for 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic. Here's a look at the car. This one slide up, and the bulb on this side isn't working, so I'll be changing this one. If you don't have this, a flathead screwdriver should work. Here's the bulb. You gotta turn it counterclockwise. Here's the connector. To take the connector out from the light bulb, you push this. You push it and pull it out. It's gonna be hard because space down here is very tight and you don't have much on leverage or space to do that. Here's the light bulb. I bought two. I only needed one, so I'll save the extra one. You know, when you're doing this, you want to make sure the light is turned off, and you want to make sure the key isn't in the key's not in the ignition. I'm gonna put a new light bulb in. I have a flashlight here. When you put the bulb in, you want to turn it clockwise. And then, okay, I got it in, and then I'm gonna put the switch back on. I mean, not the switch, I'm gonna put the wire connector back on. Put the wire connector back on. There should be two of these. There should be two, one here and one here. Okay, one here. There should be one here and one here. Looks like the one here. This one fell off. So there's only one left. Well, If you're working on a Honda Civic like this, you should see one here and one over here. Push it up and then pull it. So the way I took it out is I push this up and I pull it out. Cause this thing right here is clip onto here. I forgot about this. Don't forget to put this back on. So here's the connector, the white part here, and the bulb is this part. You just take it out the same way as I did to the bulb on the other side. I took this out before, so I know I could take it out, but I'm not gonna do it again, so because it's just the same as the other side. And the light bulb on this side is working, so I don't need to take it out. Yeah, thank you for watching.